Okay, here's the stuffing recipe that I was going to share with you. So obviously I'm going to have to put it in something bigger. So I'm going to use my canning pot. So that's 2 loaves of bread, and you break them up and let them sit out for a while to dry out a little bit. That's liver and gizzards, chicken, parsley and onion, butter, it's a stick of butter, 4 eggs, some parsley, I use this, poultry seasoning, and I'm going to save the juice that you boil the liver and gizzards in, and add some bouillon to it, chicken bouillon, and I'm going to use some of that liquid in there. So I'm going to start with the dry stuff first. Alright, I got it in here. It's a pretty big canning jar. I'm just going to put some on top. I'm not going to measure it. You can tell just by eye. So you're going to do that and put it all around it, and then you're going to get your parsley and do all the dry stuff. Okay, I use about like a quarter box of that. Don't be stingy with it. So I'm going to put these in. You cook them first. Okay, I got them all in. Put some on top, stir it up. Alright, make sure you don't cook the eggs with the warm butter. So I'm going to put the butter in now and make sure this cools down before you use that. And then I'll let it sit for a little bit, make sure it's not warm. Alright, hold on. Alright, get some eggs in the same way, do a little at a time, and then stir it up. Okay, here's the liquid. I don't know how much I'm going to need, but you could see it has all the pieces in there from when you cooked the liver and the gizzards. Alright, so I'm just going to do a little at a time here. I'm going to have to do it by hand from here on out. Okay, I got it in this pan here. So, it's a lasagna pan. It's like 2 inches high. So there's enough for Coxey's Army. I used most of the juice. I'd say about a quart. Depends on how dry your bread is, what kind of bread it is. So I bake it at 350. Depends on how crispy you want it on top. I can't really give you an answer. I haven't done it in a while. Okay. I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. May your Thanksgiving be filled with peace, joy, and love. Peace out.